This is how to fix your invisible zip properly. You can see how close and functional mine is. No stress, I'm going to show you how to make yours just like mine, but in return, like, comment and share this video. You will need an invisible zip presser foot. The presser foot will not do all the work. You have to assist the presser foot, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. To start, you have to open your zip, separate them, because we're going to be fixing the zip separately like this. Pick a side you'll be fixing first, then open it flat like this. So instead of letting the zip to be like this, you want to open it and make it as flat like this. So we're going to be fixing the zip flat like this instead of letting it to be as normal. So open the zip, make it flat, and place it into your sewing machine. Place this presser foot on it, then you start sewing. As you sew, you should ensure the zip remain flat. Whenever the zip stop being flat, then you go back to that side, repeat that stitch, but you should be careful because you want to make a single stitch. It makes more sense when the stitch is single than you sewing it multiple times. As I keep sewing, let me tell you about an application you should have being a fashion designer. The application is called Stylebit. Stylebit is designed for fashion designer, for me and you, to help us manage our businesses. You can save your customers' details like name, phone number, and their measurements on your device. You don't have to do pen and paper anymore. With this, you never get to lose your measurement or your customers' details once you use Stylebit. You can also send invoice to your customer to remind them about any pending payments you are yet to receive from them. You get to save orders. You even get notified about any order that is about to overdue. You also get access to a free fashion designer community once you sign up for Stylebit. I'll leave a link in the comment section and also in the description box to download Stylebit. So just go there, click on the link and get the application downloaded. Let's go back to our invisible zip. You can see I'm trying to start with the other side of the zip, and I'm still keeping the zip flat. So if the zip goes out from the presser foot and it stops being flat, then you should take it back and repeat that side again so that you can have your zip totally covered. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and most especially follow this page to see more amazing videos like this.